Hey beauty gang, it's your favorite YouTuber Tre'nae, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your own acrylic nails at home using a few Dollar Tree products and baking soda. At the end of this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more. So jumping right in, my nails are in a state of emergency, okay? I've grabbed a container of acrylic nail tips, and actually these can be used as both nail tips and full coverage. You'll see later in the video that I decided to use them partially as full coverage to save me some time on filing my nails. I cannot deal with super long nails right now, so I try to get them to a comfortable length starting out. All I'm doing right here is sorting through the nails and finding the ones that fit my real nails best. I actually learned that each of my fingers are completely different sizes. For example, the nail that I used on my middle finger on my left hand is not the same nail that I used on my middle finger on my right. So that was interesting to me. All of my fingers are different sizes. So now that I've finished with that, I'm going to go ahead and clip my nails down. No special way of doing this. I just literally grab the clippers and clip. So I'm just quickly doing this on both hands. I like to cut them down as low as I can get them because I don't like having dirt under my fingernails. So yeah. If you guys remember, I made a stop at my local Dollar Tree and I picked up a few affordable nail supplies that you'll see later in this video. But if you're wanting to recreate this method, I highly recommend using Dollar Tree. They have a lot of good things, so yeah, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. So I'm using the Maximum Speed Nail Glue by Kiss. It was highly reviewed and is supposed to dry within only 3 seconds, so that's cool. The only thing I disliked about this glue is that it had a squeeze top. That is really hard to use on my nails. I was hoping that this was the brush-on glue, but unfortunately it was not. No worries though, because I went to find an old clear nail polish that I no longer needed, and I took the brush from there. So what you see me doing is cleaning off that brush to use in the glue. Problem solved. Now I can apply the nails. Alright, so here I'm going to use baking soda for my dip powder. It's literally super easy. This is such a super easy method, and it's also very affordable. It's like 59 cents for it, so this was definitely the move, okay? And just to give it a bit more color, I'm going in with a little bit of brown loose powder that I picked up from Dollar Tree for $1, okay? You cannot beat that. $1. Now for the fun part, applying the glue. That was probably the hardest part because it literally dries in 3 seconds, just like it said. So if you're a slow worker or someone who doesn't move fast, you might want to get another type of nail glue. Once I applied the glue, I just dipped my nail in the powder, and that was that. I think I did this a total of 3 times on each nail.
instinct. Lucas.
Alright, so I'm all done with that. As you can see, it came out really nice, and literally it is just like acrylic. So all I'm gonna do now is just dust off the excess powder, and I got this little makeup brush from Dollar Tree as well for, you guessed it, $1. And after that, you're gonna see me file my nails to shape them a bit more, and then go in with my nail smoother and buffer to get the nail as smooth as possible so that my polish goes on smoothly. Okay, smoothing the nails was probably the longest part of this process because you want to take your time with that, right? And you want to feel the nail to ensure that it's not bulky, there are no grainy parts. Like, you want your nail to be super smooth because it's very important for your polish to look finished and just smooth. So yeah, take your time with buffing your nails. So now I'm just spraying my nails, basically washing my hands just like you do at the nail salon, and boom, beautiful, just like acrylic. Literally just like acrylic. Like, look at that. Just look at that. So I purchased this pretty pink nail polish on Amazon. I did grab a few polishes from Dollar Tree, but I really didn't like how thin and watery they were, so I opted for something a bit more pigmented and fuller. I suck at painting nails, so having a good polish was well worth it, and it made it a lot easier for me. So I did not do too bad with painting, okay? Look at that. Like, just look at that. I did good, okay? I did good. I only had to use 2 coats of pink, and now I'm just letting them dry. Once my fingernails finished drying, I just went in with 2 coats of the Rapid Dry Clear Top Coat Polish that I also got from Dollar Tree. Now, this polish, I loved the way that it made my nails look. They were so glossy, and it made the pink pop even more. Almost as if I got shellac or gel nails done, which I always get in the salon, so that was nice. And I just absolutely love the way these nails came out. Also, how super easy they were to do. They literally look just like acrylic, feel just like acrylic, and surprisingly last just like acrylic. It's crazy how creative you get when all the nail salons close, right? So yeah, here's the finished product, guys. These nails were literally everything, and my family couldn't believe that I had done them myself. I'd love to know how this process goes for you. Let me know down below in the comments if you plan on trying it. As always, give this video a like and be sure to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Also, smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on videos from me in the future. Once you've done so, comment down below Noto Gang with 3 G's. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.